my first impression was like, I'm glad that actually everybody showed up because it's windy, but it's also nice and cool. It's not hot. I'm glad that he's got his biker friends too here, and they're still sticking around, and I'm happy. I'm sad that he couldn't be here, but it's great. I love it.
I've known Adam for over 30 years, so no better time to support something. ALS is a terrible disease. It comes out of nowhere, no symptoms, no warning. Do anything you can, everything you can to help support that foundation and anybody that's going through this terrible problem. Chosen Few MC, first integrated mixed race club, originated in 1959 out of Compton, California.
My name is Amber Bates. I'm the Development Director for the ALS Association Evergreen Chapter, and I'm down here to support this event and to help raise awareness for ALS and help promote the Walk to Defeat ALS. So I'm here giving out t-shirts, help people sign up for the walk, and yeah, just basically support this event.
Adam's a friend of mine, known him for about 8 years, and so when Susie had told me about it, I got a hold of Keely, and we just kind of started working together about it, so that's why we're here. And Between the Buns, we're locally owned and we're everywhere.